We are in Mount Makiling Trail, and the little girl on the back is enjoying her ice candy.
Papunta kami ngayon sa Mount Makiling Trail. Ito na yung arko, papasok ng forestry. Sa right side, makikita nyo yan, ang Makiling Botanic Garden. Maganda rin pasyalan yan.
We'll be having picnic as well, but it will be in there, far away.
Ito na yung papuntang College of Forestry. Medyo marami nang nakapark. Holiday kasi ngayon, it's Holy Week. So expected namin talaga marami kaming kasamang mag-hiking. Usually, dito kami nagpa-park. Kaya lang mukhang puno na. So naghahanap kami ng ibang parking place. Dito kami nakapag-park sa may registration area. Ayan, ang dami nang nagpapa-register. Yan, ang haba ng pila. Pero pag weekdays or ordinary weekends, hindi naman ganyan kahaba. Maraming tourists ngayon. Good morning! Nandito kami ngayon sa favorite hiking place namin sa Mount Makiling Trail. So since it's Holy Week, ang dami naming kasabay mag-hiking.
And nag-price increase sila sa entrance.
Oh, from 30 pesos
to 60 pesos.
To 60 pesos.
Just for the Holy Week. Starting last Sunday.
Oh, pero may free keychain naman. So we're exercising early in the morning. Ang tawag sa ganitong exercise, green exercise.
Because Army is wearing green.
Yan, green exercise where we combine fitness and nature.
You're both maroon.
Maraming benefits sa green exercise. Maganda siya sa cardiovascular function, tsaka sa muscles. It strengthens our muscles.
And our plantar fascia.
At saka, pinaka-importante, a very good stress reliever. Anti-stress ang ganito.
Who are you stressed
walking
with,
early in the morning.
I hope you're not stressed.
Kasi madalas mo akong binibigyan ng stress. Kaya mas gusto ko ang ang ganito.
Stress.
Yan. Nakakatanggal ng stress. Tsaka magandang very good for family bonding.
I did all of my kumon.
Oh, ayan, ang dami nag-hiking. Holy Week kasi. Yan.
This is where I used to steal my bubble. And I hate it.
Paakit kami ngayon sa Mount Makiling Trail. And that's the starting point, somewhere there.
Overtake pa kayo sa iba.
Thank you po, ang ganda po.
Sama natin ang tikbala.
Army!
She wants me to carry her.
May madadaanan kayong mga tindahan Pag nauhaw kayo o naguto, may refreshments like fresh buko juice. Meron ding fresh fruits like banana.
Kulit! Pero na pala tayo, Abby eh.
Record me!
Chocolate na lamang, tsaka buko salad. Mango.
Ano po yan, popsicle?
Ice candy.
Oo.
Anong gusto, Army?
Chocolate.
Anong flavor pang iba?
Avocado po, tsaka mango.
Mango.
Buko salad.
Yung chocolate daw.
Hindi sanay kumain ng ice candy.
Yan, tinuturuan ko si Armin kumain ng ice candy. Yan, bite it with your teeth. Ganto, oh. Ayan, and then, ayan, fasting. Nakakain. Sige, ikaw na. I'm fasting.
Yung 20 na bilog.
At tsaka,
20 na ganito.
ay di.
Do not throw this one, the plastic, okay?
So,
Nakarating kami dito sa dulo, sa Aguila Base. Ito yung Station 11. Yang nakikita niyo, papunta na yan sa Peak 2. Medyo maputik, kaya hindi na kami tumuloy. Actually, maputik talaga. Hanggang dito lang kami sa Station 11. Ayan, madami nag-hike. Napagod na si Arnie. Nagpakarga na.
we have rice. So, here.
Ayan, magpipiknik na kami.
So, we have rice. Fried rice.
Ayun tubig.
Hungarian sausage. And scrambled egg. Lunch.
Egg. Malapit na kami sa entrance. Almost 5 hours kami
There is an
naglalakad.
ambulance.
Anong oras tayo umakyat doon? 9 o'clock.
No? Around past 8.
O, tapos ngayon, anong oras na? It's
Almost
almost 3.
3.
So,
Almost
ayun, almost 6 hours.
We have because we
I
eat
need to
lunch for
feed
O,
my
nag-lunch pa
puppies.
kami.
I need to
and
feed my
to panap.
puppies.
Nagulog pa si Ding Dong doon. Next time ulit, aakyat ulit kami.
No!
Pupunta na kami sa Peak 2.
But
At
Army will
saka
not
sa
come with us.
Flat Rocks.